One of my biggest fears is that one day I'm going to wake up and my computer won't turn on. And all the mods I've been working on, the map, whatever the case may be, is just gone. Well, that happened.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
And I was smart enough to back everything up. So now I'm going to have to reinstall all the software. And I figured, why not just document the process, because there might be somebody out there that needs a little help. Here I am to save you. All right, when you very first open up your Notepad++ after downloading it, just do a quick little Google Notepad++. You will find the software. Once you download it, it's going to be really jarring every time you open up a Word doc, and just how bright it is. You're killing your eyes, people. So let's go through, apply dark mode, and change the colors a little bit. So in order to go that route, we're going to go right up here to the top. We're going to go to settings, preferences, if I can click on it. And we're going to go about 4 down here to dark mode. Oh, my eyeballs are way better. Now we can swap this around a little bit if we want to, right? So we can choose black, red, green, what other color you're into.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue.
I like to just do something that's a little easier on my eyes. Now your screen will not look like this, where I'm red, green, blue, all this kind of stuff. In order for you to change your color settings, we're going to go to Style Configure. And from here, you'll see I have Vim Dark Blue, and it gives me this pretty easy to read, see what things are. I love it. I mean, there's a ton on here that you can go with. You can just click right here, scroll down the line, and just find something that's easy for your eyes to handle. Personally, I like the Vim Dark Blue. It's just a lot easier on my eyes. And then after that, you're going to hit Save and Continue. Once you got that going, now you're pretty set. There isn't too many more changes that you need to do, but there might be a cool little thing that you didn't know you could do. And we're just going to double click on this bar up here. It'll create a new folder or a new document. And what we're going to do is we're going to click and drag right to here, and it's going to go move to other view or clone to other view. Now it'll duplicate it, obviously, if you clone it, but we're going to move it to the other view. Say we had 2 mod disks here, and one had code in it we wanted and the other one didn't. We could now just very easily highlight, drag, pull it over, and then boom, you can start to build out while using code from another mod. All right, now I'm going to show you another little trick here, and that is to open up your program file, Steam Apps Common, and this will open up if you have Farming Simulator on Steam, that is, okay? It'll show you your games folders, and because I just reformatted my whole computer, I only got 2 games on there, Farming Sim and Helldivers. So we're going to double click on Farming Simulator, and we're going to go right down here, and we're going to find the game file. We're going to open this up. Now, we're going to scroll down to the bottom here where it says Development Controls. This is how you enable your dev mode. And because I just reinstalled everything, I no longer have that. So I'm going to put true in there, and bingo, we are done with dev mode. Let's move on to another trick. Holy cow, I have never seen my mods folder so empty, but it loaded so quick. So this is just a good reminder to keep the crap out of your mods folder, and your game will load very, very quickly. Only keep the mods you're using inside of there. That's a nice little tip. Now, when you very first install the game, it doesn't actually have a log file in it, but the minute you start the game, it creates this little folder called log. In this text document, I'm gonna go to properties really quick, and we're actually gonna change what this opens with. We want it to open up with Notepad++, click apply, and now I'm going to add this inside my folder. So, and this is where this is gonna live forever and ever, amen. So you don't actually have to check it in game. You can come right to here, and then you scroll down, you look for some error. Let's say at the very bottom here, I have an index path. This index path says, "Error, Mr. Lambo, fix my crap." So what we would do is we would take that index path right there, and we're going to click back on the mod that we're looking at. We're going to go Control Find, so it'd be Control F, and then we'll paste in that index path, and we're just going to click Find Next. And as you can see, if there was an error on the axis front wheel, we could find that index 10 times faster. So there's a cool little trick, save you some time rather than having to scroll through and match up numbers and stuff. All right, when you're looking at this massive amount of text here and you don't know what you're looking at, but you're looking for errors, you can't figure out why something's not working, whatever the case may be, go all the way up to the top. We're going to click up here anywhere, it doesn't matter. We're going to hit Control F. It's going to open up our search, right? And we're going to put in the word warning or error or call stack. If you use any of those terms, it'll take you right to where the problem is. So let's just do warning and search. So we got a performance texture. We can't do anything about this. This is an error from Giants from forever.
Get your shit together.
To put it plainly, get your shit together and sort out your priorities.
Okay, so let's go to the next one. Warning, character not found in texture set. This is caused actually from my steering wheel that I have. It does that. Nothing to worry about. But next up here, we see warning, placeable, load. Now this is an old save game that when I reformatted my computer, the Giants brought it in, and so I didn't have a couple of these mods in here anymore. It's looking for boosted stuff, charging station, whatever the case may be. So I would go into that. Actually, I do believe after you hit your first save, it would remove this. But say we were having some errors, this is how you would find it. Now, there's no actual errors for me to highlight for you to show what they look like. But searching for the word warning or call stack error, those things should find whatever the problem is relatively quickly. Okay, and now we are going to close this last little minute and a half. We're going to be covering blocking comments and unblocking comments, and I'll kind of explain what that is and how to do it. So as you can see in this mod disk, I kind of use a lot of templates and stuff. So there's some items inside of here, some code that I'm not using right now, but I might add those features in the future. So this is a uncommented section here. You'll see the / with the little, I don't even know what that is, greater than sign in between a question mark, -- greater than, whatever that case may be. And there's an easy way to apply and deploy this instead of actually typing that in. You just highlight the text that you want to uncomment or comment out, and you can go block uncomment and it'll remove it. Okay, or we can go right here and go block comment, and the game won't read it at all. So if you want to leave code in there that you might need in the future, whatever the case may be, this is how you would hide and unhide that. All right, I know I keep saying last little trick, but this probably will be my last little trick. We are going to use the replace function. So we're going to have this selected, hit Control F. So instead of finding right now, we're going to go replace. So we're going to find the word data, and we're going to replace it with a conceited term. Very conceited. Sorry, And we can do this. We can click Find Next, and it'll go right to data. Now, there's a couple of things here. Say you just want to replace one of these, we would hit Replace, and it changed it to Lambo rules. But what if we wanted to replace all? Say you had a term or something like that where you need to change everything in the document at once. Go replace all. And as you scroll down here, you will be reminded constantly that Lambo rules. I'm just kidding. But that is the replace function. Super useful, trust me. Recently got my drone license, and here soon, make sure you subscribe because I'll be releasing a video that shows you guys how to take real life objects and put them in Farming Simulator. Here's a little sneak peek and some drone footage to close out the video. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys soon.